Welcome to Northern Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Northern Shop channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 0. Cape Town City 0, brother. How's it?
I'm good, Mr. Ngowa.
Good, man. You're taking the game tonight.
It's
why
very bad.
why am I laughing? It's very bad.
Yeah, it's very bad because we miss a lot of chances. So we must support maybe to score maybe more than 7 goals. But unfortunately, we don't have a luck. I don't know where we're gonna get lucky because we miss a lot of goals.
Exactly.
We must support to score. But anyway, what can I say? We travel a lot. We waste our money to come to watch the game. But for the end of the day, we didn't get the result. You see.
So do you think Kaizer Chiefs need to make some changes? If yes, what are those changes?
No, it's not about for changes. We need lucky because we always
are creating chances.
We met. You still remember when we played with Sundowns? We met a lot of chances. But what can I say? We still believing on Nabi. So we can't say we must fire Nabi. Because always we're gonna fire. So anyway, he's still cooking. So we don't know the time when you're gonna be reach for temperature 290 degree.
Exactly.
So I think maybe we can wait. I don't know maybe for next season, but for this season, we just waiting for Nedbank Cup. So we just wishing maybe Sukukuna maybe can beat Sundowns because
so are you scared of Sundowns?
Yes.
Yes.
You know, I'm scared.
Yes.
I'm scared for Sundowns. How many times they beat us?
How
many times? Always when we meet Sundowns, we lose.
You lose,
And after that, we cry always.
And every time when you win, when you are happy, they give you Sundowns.
Yes, you see.
Angry,
So we just pray that for Miss Kukuni can beat Sundowns. So for us, we're gonna be meet Kukuni on the semi-final.
No, keep praying, my brother.
Okay, thank you very much.